How to make the strongest black powder in existence. Let me show you. You need a carbon source first, which should be activated charcoal, but even better, toilet paper charcoal. This is the best carbon source of all. Simply add it into the mixture. Show you what I'm saying. And the next step is to get some charcoal barrettes, which is just that. Simply place them into the container. And after we are sharply, get a blender. And now we just simply blend it. Let me show you. Now I've already got it simply blended. Now simply get your charcoal powder. And the next step is to simply put it in a cup. So let me show you that. Now simply I'm going to take this. Don't breathe in the charcoal dust fumes. And that should be our charcoal mixture. Now the next step is to simply get the next one. Now simply get some sulfur, about 1 large tablespoon. Now that you got your mix, simply stir. So you want to now simply add your potassium nitrate. Now simply make sure 3 times the weight of that would be potassium nitrate. Now let me simply mix. Now you got your blend. Now the next step is to simply use some catalysts and flash powders mixture. So this is simply flash powder that explodes at anything. So this is a simple mixture, part 1, that we're going to use just to get the oxidization. Simply like this. Now that we got some in there, simply stir. Now that we got it mixed, it should be really close to being the best black powder ever. Here's next. Simply get some gold leaf to catalyze the reaction. Simply like this. I'll show you what I'm doing. Now simply poke it down to mix it. Showing them done. Now you got your mixture. So this is simply our black powder that should be the best on the world. Now let me show you how it works. Sadly, this won't be its full potential because I'm not going to mill it or make it ball or put this through a solvent. So we're just going to test it by itself. But this would be great in a solvent, especially gas. So simply let's pour some right here. That should be our fine-grained gold black powder mixture. Now we're simply going to test it. See that? It doesn't work that well because it's on the snow and it's not milled. So we're going to test it on... Oh my god, I saw that. Yeah, that's the flash powder working its job. Okay, now we'll test it on the dirt. Now we're going to test it away from a water source. See, it works way better. Now it's black powder.